Hey everybody. So one of our next steps with Leader in Me is going to be to focus a little bit more on achieving and tracking a school goal. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this semester as kind of a beta version. And we are going to need your help. So I'm going to show you guys an easy way, or hopefully a quick and easy way that you can help us collect some data. So this semester, the goal is going to be focused on student work completion. I'm sure everybody's having trouble with that right now. So we want to collect some data so that we can see improvements, non-improvements, and also just be able to see what teachers are having success so that we can go to them and see what they're doing that's helping them to be successful. So you guys are going to get this form. It says 2020-21 goal tracking. And what it asks you to do is just put approximately what percentage of total assignments has each of your classes completed. And we're going to ask you to fill this out once a week. And if you are not a fan of calculations, there is a link at the very top with a calculator where you can put in just a couple pieces of information and it will calculate that percentage for you. So I'm going to show you guys how I would do this for one of my classes. So the first question is total number of assignments. So I would go into PowerSchool and I would look at my class and I would say, all right, I have 11 assignments. So I put that into my calculator. 11 assignments. Then it's going to ask me the total number of students. So I can do that just by clicking the student button. And at the top, it tells me I have 20 students in that class. And so I will put 20 under total number of students. And then the last one is total number of missing assignments. And this one is going to be a little bit different depending on how you set up your gradebook. So what I do is I use the little orange missing button if kids are missing assignments. So like, for example, in this assignment, if a couple of students were missing that, I would hit 0, missing, and it would flag that assignment as missing. And I can even fill all of my empty boxes with that if I want to. And if you use those buttons, this will be super easy. All you have to do is hit progress, traditional, need to save my changes, and it's going to tell me at the top of the screen how many total missing assignments I have in this class. So right now this class has 50 collective missing assignments. Yikes. But I'll go ahead and put that in, and it's going to calculate my work completion for that class. If you do not use the flag, we're not going to ask you to count every single missing assignment if you don't feel like it. We know that you're busy. So if you would just kind of estimate what your percentage work completion is and give that to us as a number for each class in your Google form. So for my first period, I got 77.27%. So I'll put for my first period in that Google form about 77%. Okay. For the sake of time, I'm just going to put that number for everything in this video. Hopefully you would go calculate that for each class. And I don't have a third period, so I'm going to leave that blank. That's all you have to do. You're going to hit submit. And once you submit, it's going to come up with a link. When you click that link, it's hopefully, if I did it right, going to have all of our responses graphed by teacher. So that way I can look on the screen and say, okay, well, Mr. King is having more success than me. His numbers are more, he has a higher percentage and less range than I do. So maybe I should go talk to him and ask him what he's doing to get his kids motivated to turn in work. So hopefully that was helpful. We're not trying to add anything crazy to you guys, but we would really, really, really appreciate it if you could fill this form out just weekly as you're doing your grades. That would be awesome. Thank you.